What's up, homies? I wanted to show you guys how to know when your loofahs are ready. Some of you guys might be going, oh, what's a loofah? Well, a lot of people think sponges just come from the ocean. But in truth, some of these sponges come right here. Well, look, we have a friend. Hey, buddy. Hey, what you doing here? It's just Frank the Tank. Hey, buddy. How cool is that? Just came to say hi. Sorry, I got ADHD when I saw my snake on me. But hey, here's a loofah that's ready to rock. Probably let that one go a little too long because I've noticed if you get them too hard, sometimes it's hard to get off. But here's some examples of loofahs that aren't ready to be picked. They have a lot of weight to them. So when you are trying to decide if it's ready to harvest, when you hold that, it should feel just as light as paper right there. See how much lighter that thing is? Just bounces right around. Where these things, I bet that sucker weighs a good 1.5 pounds right there. You know, so it just, you want to let that get nice and dry to get all that moisture out. Make sure you don't get snake bit out here at the garden. Thankfully, I'm homies with all the snakes, right? Helping me out on my worm problem, maybe. Check it out, though, guys. That is what a loofah looks like. Now this sucker isn't quite as dense as what I usually get on these bad boys, but I'm also not complaining because I'm not exactly an experienced loofah grower because I'm from Kansas. But we did get some seeds out of this bad boy that are ready to rock. We can put these back in the ground. Now you can see there's a little bit of moisture still left in there. So what you want to do is just take these bad boys on out and then just let them dry like that. You know what I'm wanting to do is make some of my own soap, and then I'm going to sit there and cut these to where this will actually be integrated into the bars of soap that I'm going to make. That way on one side I got a smoothie, and on one side I got a scrubby, you know what I mean? Let's see what this one's looking like here. Might be a little denser. It kind of depends. Sometimes they grow really small and super dense, and sometimes they grow quite large and they're not as dense. You can see the moisture on that one though, right guys? You let that get too hard and it's not gonna peel like a banana. It's gonna wanna just break off super small flakes at a time, and that can kind of be a pain in the butt. So I like to get it right there when it's ready to rock so it's easy taken out. And I can just, whoop, lost a couple seeds there. You can sit there and just shake the seeds right on out of these things, all right, guys? So once I let that sucker dry some more, the seeds are gonna be ready to rock, and I'll just sit there and keep plopping them right on out. That way I can grow some more. Check it out, loofah plant, guys. Gotta love it. Peace.